Hey there. Hope you guys are having a great day. I don't even know what day it is. Um, Happy Thursday. Yeah, that's the day. Happy Thursday. Hey guys. Hope you're having a great day. I wanted to hop in real quick. I told you guys I'm here this week dropping little value. You never know when I'm going to pop up in here with some free training, some insight. And I just got off of my LinkedIn workshop. I taught a 3 hour continuing education class on how to use LinkedIn. A lot of you guys are joining this group from that class. Thank you so much. This group has grown so much, and I'm so grateful. I wanted to hop right in to kind of explain a little bit of my background with LinkedIn. I started using LinkedIn back in 2005. And I was actually a recruiter for the finance industry. I used to recruit controllers, SOX compliance people, financial analysts. I used to work for an executive search firm we all recruited people in the finance industry. And during that time back in 2005, LinkedIn wasn't used. I didn't use it to build my career, build my business, build my clientele. I really used it to find great candidates. I wanted to find top notch, cream of the crop type candidates who weren't on Career Builder or Monster. And I wanted to find hard to find candidates. Back then, that was a great place for that. LinkedIn was used as only a job search tool. Today, LinkedIn has evolved into the number one networking site for business professionals. And I want to share with you that over half of the people that are on LinkedIn earn 75K and up. The majority of the people that leverage LinkedIn are age 30 years and up. And most people who are LinkedIn are the decision makers for their household. So, based on these analytics or statistics, you could probably see any amount of your ideal clients if you're in real estate on LinkedIn. This is a wonderful platform. And so, as you're thinking about your social media presence, you definitely want to consider LinkedIn. Also, consider your search engine optimization when it comes to how high you come up in search results, whether or not I can find you in Google. LinkedIn is one of those places where it's going to come up higher for you than most any other social media platforms. What does this mean? This means if you Google my name, my LinkedIn profile right now as it stands, it's the third search result on Google. That means that number one, if I had a difficult to find name, or if I was trying to improve my LinkedIn, improve my Google presence, LinkedIn would be the first thing I do. I'd go ahead and set up a LinkedIn presence. Google loves LinkedIn. So if you're there, they will actually serve your profile up as a search result to leads, prospects, clients, and people who are going online to research you. You want to make sure if you do that, your LinkedIn profile is so top notch, because again, it's going to be one of the first places I look at when I'm trying to do research about you. When I go to LinkedIn, it should be very clear who you are, who do you help, and what value do you bring to the table. So, how do you get that? How do you achieve that? The first thing that you want to do in order to achieve a professional and polished presence on LinkedIn, number one is your headshot. You want a high quality headshot. And I want to be able to see your headshot and envision myself working with you. Your headshot should be current, it should be polished, and it also should show me that you're the expert, okay, that you are bringing high quality to the table. Credibility is key. Also, when it comes to LinkedIn, you really want to think about your headline. Your headline is that little area. It's actually the first sentence on your profile. It's right below your name. Usually with LinkedIn, what they do is they will give you your own headline. They will pull your current position as your headline statement. And so if you have not updated your profile on LinkedIn, all you might see is realtor or real estate agent in that headline section. You actually want to go into LinkedIn and you want to put in your brand statement. And so my brand statement is not just I'm a marketing expert or I do branding or I do websites. My brand statement on LinkedIn is I help real estate professionals build and promote lasting and effective branding and marketing strategies. So that is exactly, it tells you who I am, who I help, and what value I bring to the table. So go into your LinkedIn profile, update your headline, and include maybe your certification, your designation, the area of town you serve, the type of clients you work with. Include that in your headline. What that does for you is it allows your profile to come up high when I'm trying to do search. If I'm looking for somebody, it's putting keywords throughout your profile, and it will allow you to populate a lot quicker in search. The other thing you want to think about with LinkedIn is your summary statement. This is your bio. You really want to have that summary statement in first person. And again, you want to answer the questions. Who do I help? Who do I serve? What value do I bring to the table? You want to have lots of white space to break up that summary statement so it'll be easy to read. And at the bottom of your summary, include a call to action, include a way for me to contact you, or include a link to see your listings or a link to do something, okay? The last thing that I want to cover real quick when it comes to LinkedIn strategy is you want to build a valuable network. I tell people all the time, don't get caught up in vanity metrics. You could be on every single social media platform in the world, but if you are not building a valuable network of people that get excited about your content, engage with your content, deem your content valuable and interesting, you're not going to get that engagement you're looking for. You're not going to get the shares, the comments, and the likes. That means that LinkedIn, their algorithm favors engagement. And so if you're not getting a lot of engagement on your content on LinkedIn, they're going to show your posts to less and less people. They're going to the algorithm will look at your content and go, wow, she's not sharing, she's not sharing anything valuable. Why should I show her content to more people? And so it's really important, guys, that you take a look at your content there, and that you're building a valuable network. And so as a real estate professional, how can you build a valuable network on LinkedIn? There is no one size fits all solution to this. You're really going to have to get real with yourself and ask yourself, who do I want to help? Who do I want to work with? Who am I? What do I want to do with LinkedIn? Do I want to network with more people? Am I trying to reach more real estate agents to get more referrals? Do I have a particular niche and I want to focus on that particular niche on LinkedIn, a particular area of town? Then you really want to get real and focus on what your goals are. Ask yourself what your business goals are and go from there. So I also, as I close, I get a lot of questions on what type of content you should be posting on LinkedIn. You should be posting valuable content, meaning I always say follow the 80-20 rule. You want to make sure that it's engaging, informative. With LinkedIn, you can be a little bit more buttoned up with the content, not salesy, but a little bit more on the professional side with LinkedIn. You want to show your expertise. We call it social proof. Are you who you say you are? Are you doing the things online to prove that you are an expert in your chosen field? And so I hope these tips help. Leave me a comment and let me know if you are active on LinkedIn, if you plan on using LinkedIn, and let me know if these strategies are valuable to you, and if you plan on actually implementing them into your marketing. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for checking out this training. And I'll see you later this week with more training. Have a great one. Bye.